Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am back today because I received my order from Echo Park Paper Company, and a couple weeks ago they ran a sale that they had all of their frames and tags and ephemera on sale for $2. So I ordered a few, and when I actually checked out, it only charged me for the shipping. So when they sent me my order confirmation, I emailed them back and said, you know, it did not charge me for my products, it only charged me the shipping. And she came back and told me that there must have been a glitch in the system. She was glad I let them know, and she went ahead and charged my card the appropriate amount. But so yeah, I got a few of them for $2 a piece, and I thought I would share them with you. The first one I got is the frames and tags that go with Craft and Create, and I have this collection. So let me share. I have some new lighting too, so I'm trying that out. But that is what you get. You get 33 pieces with this one. So that one, and then I got a Flora number 4 by Corte Maria. And it looks like this. It's a lot of like sentiments, and you get 33 pieces with this. And this one is the ephemera, it's not the frames and tags. So there is that one. And then this is one of my favorite collections, Salutations number 1 by Echo Park, and it has 33 pieces, and this is the ephemera. I also have the collection to this. I hope that's in focus. And then I got God Bless America by Corte Maria, 33 pieces, frames and tags. And each one of these were $2. And then I got Let's Celebrate by Corte Maria, frames and tags, 33 pieces. I make birthday cards all the time, so I'm always trying to pick up little embellishments and things like that for birthdays. And then I got some Halloween ones. This is I Love Halloween by Lori Whitlock, Echo Park. Frames and tags, 33 pieces. And then I got the frames and tags from Halloween Party by Echo Park, 33 pieces. And then I got Halloween Magic frames and tags by Echo Park, 33 pieces. And then the rest of them I think are winter ones. This one's Warm and Cozy, frames and tags by Echo Park, 33 pieces, and I have this collection, but I totally was out. I've used up most of my ephemera and frames and tags, but I have a lot of the papers left, so I thought I would pick this one up. And then Snow Much Fun, frames and tags by Corte Maria, 33 pieces. Also have this collection. And then this one is my favorite winter. Ephemera, 33 pieces by Echo Park, and I also have this collection. And then my favorite winter, frames and tags by Echo Park, 33 pieces. But it looks very similar to my favorite winter, so I will be able to use it with that collection. As you can see that it's very similar. And then this is a collection that I don't have, but again, it is a lot like my favorite winter. This is Winter Market, Cartabella, frames and tags, 33 pieces, but it will go well with my other two collections. And then I got Winter Market, the Ephemera as well, 33 pieces. It's by Cartabella. So that is my little haul from Echo Park Paper Company. They were $2 a piece, so I couldn't pass that up. So tell me in the comments below which one is your favorite collection. Do you have any of these collections? And I'll be back soon with another crafty, planner, or beauty video.